My brother is looking for a bookshelf, and I happened to pick up some plywood that my neighbors put out for trash about 5 or 6 months ago, and I never had any use for it until now. I designed this bookshelf. I'll put a picture right here. If my measurements are correct, we should have just enough scrap plywood. First step here, we're gonna cut out all of the parts that we need, and then we're gonna hit it with some citrus strip and get all this old finish taken. All right, we got all our pieces cut up, and we fit them all. I'm very happy. Now we gotta sand them. We're back, it's a new day, and one of my lights went out, which is fantastic. But these pieces of plywood are all dry and ready to be sanded. It's about to get really dusty in here, so I'm keeping my grilled cheese safe right there. All right, it's dark out now. I started at 11 in the morning. It is now 5:30 p.m. But we do have our nice, clean pieces of plywood. All right, we got them squared, sanded, ready for construction. We're gonna put some pocket holes in it. Oh, great. Great. Excuse me. All right, first pieces put together. Kitty seems to approve. All right, here's our piece. We're gonna cut out. And here's our other cut. Put some wood filler where it needs it, and then we'll stain it. Time has come to stain it. Definitely had a hole in my glove, but it is all stained. It's all done. Obviously, I still need to finish it, put some polyurethane on it, but I'm liking it. I'm liking how it came out.